In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set viral live wallpaper on Windows. So first, open up Microsoft Store and here search for an app called Lively Wallpaper and click on it to open it up. Now here, click on the Get button to start installing the app. Just wait for the app to finish installing. So this app is free and it works perfectly on Windows 10 and 11. And once installed, open the app. And here you can basically choose a wallpaper from the built-in library, or you can also click on the Add button to import your own video or animation. You can use MP4 videos, GIFs, or even web based wallpapers for that viral look. After selecting your wallpaper, just click it and it will instantly apply to your desktop. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!